Alright, you guys, so I have another fireworks stash for you. I'm sorry about the quality and how I know I'm looking up, but I'm looking at my computer screen. I'm using my webcam because I left my flip at my cousin's house and I do not have it at the moment. So let's go look at the fireworks guy, and this is everything, the last update and everything. So excuse me. Okay, excuse me. So here we go. This is all I have. As you can see, I'm using the my camera. You can't see that, but yeah. Alright, so first off, yeah, this 3-5 shot or mechanical reports. They're really good, in my opinion. 3 things of sparklers. Dancing Night Motor Kit, which was on my last video, and Loud and Mighty Motor Kit, like it's on my other video. The Joker's Wild. Joker's Wild over there. 3 Jumbo Rocket Mountains. See, I have like a lot of fountains. I have 2 purple rains. 2 purple rain fountains. Rock 3 fountains. Some TNT crazy eyeballs. 1 bottle rocket. 1 driver. I don't want to go through all this. Red Dragon Candle. Crackling Thunderballs. All those firecrackers, mortars, kids. All those red packages of firecrackers. This is really worth, like, all this is like, all this is like 50 bucks for fireworks. I just realized I spent 50 bucks on that much worth of crappy stuff. I did not realize it until like after I did all the math. I went, what I bought recently were $10 packs and $10 packs, and it's crazy I don't return nothing but forgetting. So what's the point? It was the family pack, original pack from TNT with a Target and Walmart to get them. So yeah, that's really much it. Comment, rate, subscribe, and again, I'm sorry about the horrible video quality and how bad it's being recorded. So comment, rate, subscribe, and the Joker's Wild over there, right there. It's the finale. I will have a video uploaded with my lip of the Joker's Wild going off because there is no video of that. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Bye, you guys.